Hello, my beautiful girls out there. How are you? I hope you are doing extremely well today. If you are new here, I am Parul Chahan, and I'm gonna tell you that I upload videos related to makeup, and I will upload videos related to skincare, hair care, vlogs, basically whatever comes in my mind I'll put it on. So today we are gonna creating this beautiful pink smoky eyeliner. Before get into the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel so that you will notify every single time whenever I will upload a video. So yes, now let's just get started with today's video. So guys, this is how my face looks like before makeup. It's quite pretty, no? It is. You can't lie. So I wanna tell you something that, as you can see, I have no facial hairs because I have shaved my face day before yesterday, and I have uploaded my video on my IGTV, which is available on Instagram. So please go and check it out. Instagram link is in my description box, so you can visit through link. So let's just get started with today's video now. So before moving on our makeup, I would like to prep my skin. For that, today I'll be using this orange Good Vibes orange gel. This is what it looks like. So for the very first product that I'm gonna use is, you guys already know it, I think I'm gonna use eyebrow. So for eyebrow palette today I'll be using this Nykaa Wow My Brow. It has 3 beautiful shades in it, eyebrow shades in it. I love this palette because it is easy to carry. You just have to put it in your bag and you can go anywhere you want to go. I'm gonna apply my eyebrows with this palette today. Moving on to the next step, which is going to be for eye base. I'm gonna apply this Swiss Beauty liquid concealer again in the shade 04. But thoda sa, I am not taking too much. I'm taking this damn beauty blender and gonna blend it my base. So for eyes today, I'll be going with this palette, Revolution Pro. So I'm gonna take Underdog shade, this pink shade, and look at the pigmentation, you guys. I'm just going to create winged liner with this shade. Just like this. So I'm gonna take Nykaa I Am Black Kajal. Just going to apply on my lash line area. Guys, I am back with another eyes. I don't feel like to apply lashes, so I skipped that part. So I'm gonna curl my lashes and complete it with the mascara. So for mascara, I'm gonna use Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. Moving on to the next step, which is going to be a face base. For foundation, today I'll be using these two foundation. One is, this is by Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation, and the another one is from Maybelline New York Super Stay 24/7 Hours Full Coverage Foundation. Now I'm gonna mix it, these two foundation, and gonna apply all over my face. So I'm going to blend with the same beauty blender. So for more coverage, I'm gonna use this concealer. I'm just going to apply it on my under eye area. Moving on to the next step, which is going to be a Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. So for contour, again I'm using my favorite palette by Sugar in the shade 02, which is Vivid Victory. I'm gonna take the contour shade from this palette. Guys, most of you have asked me that आप वीडियो प्री प्लान करते हो या आप मतलब ऑन द स्पॉट क्रिएट करते हो आई लुक। तो मैं ऑन द स्पॉट करती हूँ, मैं कोई प्री प्लानिंग नहीं करती। और हाँ, बहुत सारे थॉट्स माइंड में होते हैं कि मेरे को क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, बट मैं कोई भी आई मेकअप लुक और बेस मेकअप लुक कभी भी मैं प्री प्लान नहीं करती हूँ कि आई एम गोना डू दिस और अब दैट, नॉट गोना लाइक दैट। तो येस, सिर्फ इतना ही करती हूँ, उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं। मैं पहले से ही प्लानिंग नहीं करती हूँ, जो भी है वो मैं लाइव करती हूँ, ये समझ लो। With the same brush, I'm gonna contour my nose also. तो yes, I think आप लोगों को आंसर मिल चुका होगा। I'm gonna take this pinkish shade over here and gonna apply on my cheekbones. So moving on to my favorite part, which is going to be a highlighter. For highlighter today, I'll be using this Sugar palette in the shade 01, which is Glow Genius. It has three beautiful shades in it. So with that, I'm going to complete my eyes by taking this shade, which is called Underdog. So guys, moving on to the last step, which is going to be a lipstick, last but not the least. So for lipstick today, I'll be going with this lipstick This is by Nykaa in the shade Irish Coffee. I'm gonna apply this shade. As I've just changed my top. This is how my look turned out today, and I am feeling so happy today. Look at that smoky pink eyeliner. I am loving this eyeliner. I hope you will also like this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. I love you so much guys, and stay safe.